Experiencing your Tesla Model 3 repeatedly getting stuck on forgetting Bluetooth device? This video will guide you through fixing this common problem that disrupts phone calls, music, and navigation. It typically arises from software glitches, where the unpairing process fails, leading to an endless reset cycle. The good news is, it's usually solvable with a few simple steps. First, on your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Settings, greater than Bluetooth. Locate the device you're having trouble with and select Forget Device. This is a crucial first step to clear any corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Make sure to complete this step before moving on. Next, perform a reboot of your Tesla's system. Locate the scroll wheels on either side of your steering wheel. These are the round buttons used for adjusting volume and navigating menus. Press and hold both scroll wheels simultaneously. Hold them down for about 10 seconds until the touchscreen goes completely black. This initiates a system reboot that clears temporary data stored in memory. The touchscreen will go black as the system shuts down, and then the Tesla logo will appear as the vehicle restarts. This process typically takes 30 to 60 seconds and can resolve software glitches that cause Bluetooth connectivity issues. Once the Tesla system has fully rebooted, return to the touchscreen and navigate to Settings, then select Bluetooth from the menu. Put your phone or Bluetooth device into pairing mode. This usually involves going to your device's Bluetooth settings and selecting Pair New Device or a similar option. On the Tesla touchscreen, the system will display a list of available Bluetooth devices. Select your phone from this list. The Tesla will generate a unique PIN code for pairing. Make sure to confirm this exact PIN on your phone when prompted. Enter the PIN on your device and confirm the pairing. Both devices should now show a successful connection. If the standard reboot doesn't work, try a deeper touchscreen reset. Press and hold the power button, located near the hazard light button, for 30 seconds. This performs a more comprehensive reset of the infotainment system and can address more stubborn software issues. Then repeat steps 1 to 3. The Forget Reboot Repair process addresses several common causes of Bluetooth connectivity problems in Tesla vehicles. These include firmware bugs that cause software glitches, outdated software that lacks the latest fixes, and a corrupted Bluetooth cache that stores faulty connection data. Tesla vehicles run on a Linux-based operating system for their infotainment systems, which powers the center touchscreen and connectivity features. This Linux OS can sometimes experience memory leaks, where system resources aren't properly released, leading to performance issues, including Bluetooth connectivity problems. The reset and repair process essentially refreshes the Bluetooth connection and clears out potential glitches. Forgetting the device removes the corrupted cache data that may be causing the loop, while rebooting the car clears system memory and resolves any temporary memory leaks. Repairing then establishes a fresh, clean connection between your device and the vehicle. Regular Tesla software updates are crucial for maintaining Bluetooth stability. These updates often include specific improvements to Bluetooth connectivity, bug fixes for known issues, and performance enhancements that prevent the problems from occurring in the first place. Always ensure your Tesla is running the latest software version for optimal Bluetooth performance. To prevent future Bluetooth issues in your Tesla Model 3, avoid pairing multiple devices at the same time. Be aware that interference from other wireless devices can cause Bluetooth problems. Regularly update your Tesla's software through over-the-air updates, as Tesla fixes Bluetooth issues in these updates. As of late 2025, version 13.x improved stability. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is rapidly moving towards seamless wireless ecosystems that will make connectivity issues a thing of the past. Future Model 3 variants are expected to feature ultra-wideband Bluetooth technology for more precise device tracking, potentially eliminating pairing loops altogether. Tesla's roadmap includes AI-assisted diagnostics that could eventually automate the entire forget repair process, making Bluetooth connectivity completely seamless. Stay tuned for future updates as these exciting technologies continue to evolve and improve your Tesla experience.